Welcome back. We are on level 5 of lesson 7, importing models in App Lab. So, creating a home screen. Most apps have a welcome screen when the app first loads, which helps set expectations for the user. In the next few levels, we'll add a welcome screen to our app. So do this. Go into design mode. So click the drop-down menu at the top of the app and select new screen. Okay, so new screen. All right. And if you struggle with this, they have all these little drop downs where it shows you how to do that. So design tab and then new screen. All right. So set the ID of this screen to welcome screen. So here's the ID, and we're going to change this to welcome screen. All right. So far, I haven't broken anything. Press the green make default button to make sure this is the first screen we see in the app. A lot of my students in class did not do this, and they were wondering, why doesn't it work? Because you didn't follow the directions. So click on the make default, and now this is the first screen you go to when you open the app. All right, drag out a label and type class book recommender as the text of the label. All right, so this is the label right here. We're gonna drag it out, and we're gonna say, class book recommender. All right. So far, I'm keeping up with things. Drag out a label and type a short description of what the app does. For example, this app can recommend a book to read based on your interests. Well, I happen to remember that if we go in here and we go to manage AI models, there is a beautiful description right there. So I'm going to copy that. And then I'm going to drag out another label like it said to do. And I'm going to paste that. Da-da-da-da! Oh, I love it when things work. Okay, so there's that. And then we're going to bring this down. All right. Okay, so we'll click on that again. And I'm going to center the text. I'm going to center the text on this one too. I'm going to make this font like bigger. There we go. I like that. All right. And then we've got to do some importing of colors. So to start with, this is our background color. So copy that. Go here. There we go. All right, I'm liking that. And then welcome screen, screen 1. All right, we need the red. So we're going to do that. All right, and then we're going to go back to welcome screen. And so now all we have to do is change the blue to that. And then here as well. All right, so, all right, we're keeping with our colors, our school mascot and all that. Okay, so, okay, so run the program to make sure it works. It should load the welcome screen, but we haven't programmed it to continue to the next screen yet. When you are finished, continue to the next level. So let's run it, make sure it works. All right, so when I run it, it starts with that screen. That's exactly what we wanted. All right, like you don't have to mess with any of this yet. All we had to do was set up the welcome screen. Okay, so with that, I'm going to click on finish and I will see you on level 6. Here we go.